So I want to show you a tip that helped me very much in the switching tabs. For example, see my scene, assign scene to location. It has a lot of lines. Okay, and I needed to take from scene type here. These are the 25 scene types that I have. For example, I needed to use a lot the mouse, but the mouse for a coder or programmer is not the best tool. So I use it Control Tab to switch from tabs. For example, I'm here and I need to start with the Navu. I copy that, I switch here and I paste it here. I need the other line, I copy, switch, Control Tab and paste it here. So I accelerate a lot and save me a lot of time to using the mouse and copy with the mouse. It is a very good method to switch tab. And for example, other thing I want to show you, I have more. Yeah, you can say, for example, if you click Control Tab, you can select with the mouse, but the good thing is that it remembers the last position. For example, you needed to open the game or the question tabs or classes, but for example he will remember the last switch. For example, I have question open. I want to make some work between map control and question, so I click the class I want to be and I click Control Tab, and he will go to the tab I previously have been in. Sorry, my English. So this is the tip I want to show you. It's very useful, especially for those method or other pieces of code that has many lines and you need to switch from class to class, from tab to tab, and it is very useful. Thanks for watching.